Hey, how do you make an image horizontal in Gemini? I have tried to do this. I've tried to create this image. Like I was saying, like the image is wide. I assume like okay, Gemini will understand I want the image wide, but it couldn't really do it. I even say let the shot be in landscape format. Still, it didn't. I even said generate a regular wide shot. Still, actually, it didn't. So, how do you make this? Okay, the easiest way I can say is always have a kind of a landscape format image. Okay, now I made one and it's 1280 pixels by 720 pixels in height. So this is more of a rectangular format image. It's kind of a template that I want Gemini to use. If you don't know how to create these images, I'm going to attach this image in the image description, so you can always use this template when you're trying to tell Gemini to have this image in a rectangular or horizontal format. So let me assume this is the image that we want to make horizontal. Okay, so you have to have another image which is already landscape. So in this case, I have this image, it's white, and I named it landscape. It's the one always I upload to Gemini when I want Gemini to know the width that I want. Like if I want it to be landscape, I only use this image. Okay, I'll leave it in the description. I'll put you a link where you can just download it if you don't really have time to make your own landscape format template. So I come here and I upload the picture that I want to be landscape. So this is the picture that I want to be landscape. Also, we are going to see if maybe you're generating an image freshly. How do you do that? But let me first handle this. So I upload the image that I want to be landscape. Then also I upload my image, which is already a landscape, which I'm using as a template. Okay, I think it's here. I named it landscape. So image 2 is the width of the image that I want. It's like I want this image 1 to copy the width. So I'm going to say make the image. It's better to use the word like make the picture be horizontal. Okay, make the picture to be horizontal. Let it use. Okay, I can say use the second picture as a reference. Okay, so we're going to say make the picture to be horizontal. Use the second picture as reference for the aspect ratio. I think we can add the size. So we're going to do send. So I'm trying to make the picture horizontal, but I'm also telling Gemini to use the second picture as a reference for the size aspect ratio. In other words, I want image 1 to be in a rectangular format as in the image 2. So you realize actually now it will actually take this shape of this white image template that I have. So that is the quickest way to kind of make an image horizontal in Gemini, in case Gemini is refusing to make the image horizontal or landscape. Now, what if you're generating a fresh image? Let me get this script that I was trying to use for a new image. So let me copy this. So if you're creating a new image, you can say maybe, generate, okay, let me generate image. Use the attached I think it's better to use picture. I prefer generate image. Use the attached picture as size aspect ratio. Okay, so the English can be different, but as long as you are telling it to use the attached image for use the attached image, use the attached picture as a reference for size aspect ratio. I think the English still Gemini will do. We understand as long as you're telling it like the attached image that you're going to put should be used as the size, okay, for the images which are going to be generated. So generate the image, then use then this is the image, okay. The image is wide, all that stuff. So you attach your image, the other image that I said, which I always use for making the thing to be landscape. So let me kind of attach it there. It can be here canvas or image, here doesn't really matter, okay. So let me just send. So you realize actually Gemini will kind of generate that image, but will use the attached image for the dimensions, okay, the width and height, all right. So I'm going to leave that picture in the description, so you can just actually download that image called landscape. It can be used to generate rectangular images. So it has generated the image and you see it's rectangular. It looks similar to this because actually this was the command that I used to generate the other one. So you can always do this to generate your images to be horizontal or landscape, all right? If you're interested in more videos about AI, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.